Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 3-pack of replacement John Deere mower blades for free so I can open them up and let you know what I think about it. So, first thing, I'm going to go ahead and tear open the package. And I'm going to tell you these are very heavy, so that's a good sign. So, a quick look at how they come. So, you see they're all wrapped up, all three together in a kind of like a shrink wrap type plastic. All right, so get them out here. So I've done a couple reviews and looked at other blades too, and some of them I've noticed that when you get them initially, they have like scratches and stuff all over them, which makes them prone to rust. So sometimes they've already been rusty. These ones, the coating looks very good still. I'm not seeing any scratches or any damage, so that's definitely a good sign. The other thing I want to point out to you is that, I mean, they're already, they're pretty sharp. I'm surprised at the sharpness level of them. And then I want to let you have a look at the center hole. So it's a 7-point star hole that you use for mounting these blades. And just let you know overall, like, they're heavy. They feel like really good quality. I would expect them to work for a long time. Again, they're for 48-inch mower decks. Um, I was considering telling you some of the different models that it's good for, but there's so many different John Deere models. So I highly recommend that you just, glance through the listing and make sure you check out those different models. If you have a John Deere 48-inch, looks like most likely this will be good for you, but just go ahead and check that out. And after you confirm it fits, I definitely think it's a good option for you to take a look at.